Hello children, you had your board exam of science yesterday, so we are here with the marking scheme. We are going to solve set number 1 in this video, so you can match your answer. So Manisha ma'am is here and she will be explaining the question of chemistry and biology in this video.
In MCQ's questions, the answer of the question number 1 is C, 2 is D, zinc, 3 is D, R, colored, 4 is C, zinc and hydrogen, 5 is D, 2241, 6 is A, impure copper, pure copper, acidified copper sulfate solution, 7 is B, 8 is B, 9 is B, 10 C, 11 B, 12 D, cytoplasm and mitochondria, 13 B, 14 B, 15 A, 16 B, 17 A, 18 A, 19 C and 20 D. Just I am going to explain you the questions of chemistry and biology. So the answer of the question number 21 is X is ferrous sulfate, hydrated ferrous sulfate, and Y is Fe2O3. As we burn the ferrous sulfate, then first it loses its water of crystallization and converted into white color substance, and then after decomposition is converted into dark brown color iron oxide. The answer of the question number 22 is कि testes require 2 to 3 degree less temperature than the abdominal body temperature for the production of sperm. B, yes, the secretion of these glands, it means the glands associated with the male reproductive organ, is for providing nutrition to the sperm. 23, how is lymph formed? Lymph is formed after the filtration of plasma and the WBC from the blood capillaries to the tissue fluid, and then after drainage into the lymph vessels or the lymph capillaries. What are the function of lymph? It provides it fulfill all the requirement of a tissue. The odd part answer is, in this diagram, X is the woman's capsule which together form the glomerular filtration unit of nephron from where the urine is filtrated out. Why some substances are selectively reabsorbed? As those substances are very useful for our body, so they reabsorbed into the blood. Question number 24 is the physics part, 25 is the physics part. Now the answer of the 26th question number, why are the organism of first trophic level important? Because they are producer and they produces food for all. The next one is the flow of energy in ecosystem is unidirectional. We can see or we know that the energy from the sun as enter the producer and then producer to the consumer, it cannot return back to the sun or to the producer. Or you can explain it by giving an example of any type of food chain. Section C, the washing soda formula, that one is sodium carbonate dihydrate, and it is obtained by the baking soda by heating it and by recrystallization of it. The washing soda is used in the softening of hard water and in cleansing of clothes. The question number 28, in this diagram you have to explain that in which test tube A, B, C rusting happened or not, and if happened then what is the reason, if doesn't happen then what is the reason behind it. Section in or, the question number B, you have to draw the structure of the aluminium nitride. So aluminium is a metal, it donates its 3 electron to nitrogen and form the aluminium nitride. The next part is the ionic compound. Why ionic compound are the crystalline solid? Because it consists of the oppositely charged particles, so it is geometrically arranged and tightly bonded with the strong electrostatic force of attraction. It is brittle because by applying pressure, this force of attraction break and the metallic compound break. Question number 29. You have to write the respiratory pigment, which is the hemoglobin, and the function of hemoglobin is to transport the oxygen. Now, what is the value of the residual volume of air? It is for the proper exchange of air in the alveoli. ATP provide energy to cell and each body parts for doing their works. So these are known as energy currency of the cell. Several questions during this exam is related with the 9th class as well. Question number 30, define fertilization. It means fusion of male and female gamete. And zygote form what? Embryo, ovule form seed, ovary form fruits and stamens, and other parts shed off. In section D, the question number 34 is related with the organic chemistry or the chemistry part. You have to define the homologous series. It means the series of compounds having the same functional group and the molecular formula, but consecutive members are differed by the CH2 group. You have to write the molecular formula of two homology of the ketone. So one is, you can take any one. I have taken here propanol and the butanol. You have to write the molecular formula, but if you haven't retained the molecular formula, if you have constructed the structure, then I think CBSE will give you marks. But in this question, you have to write the molecular formula. The next one is, you have to show the reaction between the carboxylic acid, ethanoic acid with a base, which is sodium hydroxide, and you have to write the process esterification. In my previous video, I have explained all the reactions from these chapters. I think it is beneficial for you. This is the part C, in which you have to construct the molecules of structure of the molecule of benzene, which is like this. In section D or part 34 number questions, you have to write the molecular formula of ethyne and you have to draw its structure, which is like this. And there is a reaction of ethanol and sodium. Once again, this is the esterification and this is the oxidation of ethanol in the presence of acidified potassium dichromate. Question number 35 is the part of biology. In question number A1, you have to write that why iodine is necessary for the thyroid gland, because iodine is important for the synthesis of thyroxine hormone. If its deficiencies cause more and more function of thyroid gland, and that cause goiter. The second one is, some people in the population may have very short height. Yes, due to growth hormone, due to release of less growth hormone. Third one is, thick facial hair developed in the boys at the age of puberty. It is due to the release of the sex hormones. Explain the two reasons which necessitates the need of the chemical communication in the multicellular organism. These are two. Number one is the role of hormones, which regulate different functions in our body, and the second one is some neurotransmitter, which is the chemical messages in the nervous system. In our part, you have to differentiate voluntary and involuntary action. Voluntary action, it depends upon our will, but the involuntary function is not depends upon our will. And the next one is, you have to define the reflex action, which are unlearned, unconscious, involuntary response to the stimuli, and you have to draw the reflex arc, which is very, very common and asked by CBSE several times. In section E, the question number 37 is the chemistry part. It is also related with the class 9 chemistry. A is the element which has atomic number 16. How it attain its noble gas configuration? You have to write the electronic configuration. Since it has valence electron 6, so it gains 2 electron to attain its nearest noble gas configuration. In this butene, you have to calculate the number of single bond. So in this question, the number of single bond is 10 and the number of double bond is 1. The next one is you have to draw the structure of ammonia, which is a covalent compound. In this ammonia, the nitrogen share its 3 electron with the 3 different hydrogen and thus occupy its octet. The second one is the question number, the third part is or part of that C only. So you can draw the structure of ammonia, or you can write the answer of this question, why carbon can form only covalent bond. Question number 38 is the part of biology. So in this you have to define the chromosome, which is a thread-like structure present in the nucleus and it contains DNA and histone protein. The second one, why is the pair of 6 chromosome in human male called mismatched? Because the human male contain 2 different type of 6 chromosome, X and Y. So it is known as mismatched. In third question, you have to represent this sex determination monohybrid cross, by which we can get the result that the 50% is the chance of birth of a girl and the 50% chance of a birth of a boy. So you have to write this crosses. You have to represent these crosses. The C part is, in some animals, sex chromosome is not responsible for the sex determination. Yes, of course. In your NCERT book it is given. In reptiles or lizard, the temperature regulate the sex determination. In reptiles, high incubation causes male, and in turtle, high incubation causes female. That's it all about biology and chemistry. And the PDF of these questions will be uploaded in this channel.
Thank you, Manisha ma'am. Thank you, students. I hope this video will help you. Please like this video and subscribe the channel. The physics part will be uploaded in the next video. Thank you.